I wonder if anybody else has this same problem that I do with an overstuffed bench. Well, here's something I've been waiting for that was provided by the manufacturer to do a review. This is a 44-piece wall-mounted storage set. Let's take a look. A manual, some stickers, attachments, and a bunch of these. We've got some red containers, some green ones, more red ones. Okay, here's a couple of screws, looks like for mounting. More screws here with a lot of plugs and some kind of bracket things. Well, we'll take a look. Here are the panels that go on the wall. These are just perfect for this wall right here because I'm going to put these side by side like this. And that will go there. What we need to do is get this in position, make sure it's level, then just mark some holes. And in the middle, something like that. And on the bottom. I think that should do it. There we go. Okay, that's the first one. And we'll just put that one in there. One right there. Nice. Here are some of the little boxes that come with it, little containers. I'm just looking at this now. It's actually pulling this off the wall. So it's probably best to put a few more screws in there. And I think everything should be good. In hindsight, what I think might be better is 4 across the top, 2 in the middle, 2 in the middle. In that kind of configuration, that might work better. Okay, one more up here and then it's done. That works fine. Here's the result. Now, I've got a lot of stuff in here that I didn't realize would fit. One thing I could say is that these are a little flimsy, but this is not industrial strength. This is meant for a home, and for here, this is perfect. Some things I'm not quite sure what to do with. You get some accessories like this. I guess if you got something that fits in there, I don't. But what I did find was you get some little hook things, which those can be kind of handy. Right now I've got a couple of files. These are also WorkPro. Nice files. Those will fit like that. It's like there's about 10 of those that come with it. I don't think I'm going to be using the thing for the drills, but you can do whatever you wish. This is a great solution and certainly a start to cleaning up this workbench, which was a mess before. It gets my thumbs up. And there's one other small thing that I forgot to mention, and that is the labels. Now, I really like to label my stuff, and this is going to be very handy.